Hey, guys, are you eating a delicious lunch? This time, I would like to make a hearty meat lunch using chicken breast. Originally, chicken thighs are generally used, but this time I use delicious breast meat with low calories. A generous amount of leek mixed with lemon is placed on top, which will stimulate your appetite. So let's get ready. First of all, to prepare the sauce of leek salt lemon, chop the leek. Let's chop a lot so that we can put it on the meat later. Put the chopped leek in the bowl and add the seasonings. If you don't have all the seasonings, you can use something similar. By making the sauce in advance, the leek will be soaked in the taste and will have a deep taste. Sprinkle salt and pepper on the chicken breast, and add flour evenly at the end. By sprinkling flour on the chicken breast, it will not harden even if it is baked slowly, and the mouthfeel will be soft. Add salad oil to a frying pan and bake slowly over medium heat.